Title: Shivaji's Crown of Dreams. Once upon a time, in the year 1659, in a land far, far away, there lived a brave and kind-hearted boy named Shivaji. Shivali Maharaj, as he was known, had big dreams and a heart full of courage. In the beautiful land of Raigad, surrounded by towering mountains and lush greenery, Shivaji had heard tales of the great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He admired the legendary king's courage and kindness towards his people. Shivaji dreamt of making a difference in the lives of others, just like his hero. One sunny day, as Shivaji played near the Raigad fort, he overheard the elders talking about a grand event, the coronation of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Excitement bubbled within Shivaji's heart as he imagined the magnificent ceremony. Determined to witness this historic moment, Shivaji embarked on a journey to the Raigad fort. Along the way, he encountered friendly villagers who shared tales of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's bravery and wisdom. Shivaji's admiration for the great king grew with every step he took. As Shivaji reached the Raigad fort, he marveled at its grandeur. The air was filled with a sense of anticipation, and the sun painted the sky in hues of orange and pink. Shivaji couldn't believe he was about to witness the coronation of the king he admired so much. The people gathered around the grand courtyard, and Shivaji found a spot where he could see everything. The sound of trumpets and the cheers of the crowd filled the air. Shivaji's eyes widened with awe as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ascended the throne, a crown sparkling atop his head. In that moment, Shivaji felt a surge of inspiration. He knew that even a young boy like him could make a difference in the world. With a heart full of dreams, Shivaji pledged to follow in the footsteps of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and make his own mark on the world. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj addressed the people with words of wisdom and unity. Shivaji listened attentively, absorbing the lessons of leadership and compassion. The king's commitment to justice and the well-being of his subjects fueled Shivaji's determination to be a force for good. As the sun dipped below the horizon, marking the end of the coronation ceremony, Shivaji Maharaj left the Raigad fort with a newfound purpose. He was no longer just a dreamer, he was a young soul inspired to create positive change. From that day forward, Shivaji Maharaj worked hard to make his dreams a reality. He helped his fellow villagers, stood up against injustice, and spread kindness wherever he went. Though he may not have worn a crown like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Shivaji's heart shone just as brightly. And so, the story of Shivaji Maharaj became a legend in its own right, a tale of a young dreamer who, inspired by the courage of a great king, embarked on a journey to make the world a better place.